Hi, once again, welcome to Money Horn. Today I'm going to show easy way to earn $40 per day with CPA grip in CPA marketing as a beginner. Yes, this is really going to be awesome for beginners. If you are starting out right now, you don't know about anything, you can just follow this video and work with that, and you can earn even more money than $40 per day. It's every day possible. This is a realistic earning opportunity for you, so stay tuned with this video. I'm going to show you how you can easily go do this step-by-step process. So without wasting any more time, I'm going to the site like Cpagrip, right? So this is the site Cpagrip. We are talking about Cpagrip here especially because this CPA site really easy to register, easy to work with. Any newcomer who doesn't know anything about marketing can work with this website and earn a decent amount of money every day without problem, because lots of CPA offer companies doesn't allow newcomers and they doesn't allow beginners. They want professional marketers to promote their product because of their well reputed business. So simply Cpagrip offers you this to newcomers and work with CPA marketing. So without wasting any more time, just go over to cpagrip.com and hit the register button, insert your simple form fill up, and you in no time you will be a Cpagrip affiliates who can promote their offers to peoples all over the world. So moving on to the Cpagrip dashboard, after you register, you can see that this is the dashboard page. So this is a Cpagrip, and you can the menu sections in the offer tools, you just click on my offers. So I go on to this offers page, and you can see that these are the offers. You can just start promoting without any problem. So simply just go on. I'm going to show you the right way how easy it is to earn like $40 per day. Is very possible. So just follow my video, then follow my step. I'm going to show you the products you can just target on Cpagrip that you can just work on and bring traffic to. So I just set it for all countries, and I just in the category sections I click on mobile install. So I'm interested on to mobile apps that people just install and I get paid for that. So simply I choose mobile install, and device sections I just choose mobile here. So I have to that there are lots of mobile offers coming up right now. So we are working on in this video. I just choose OctaFX. So I just write OctaFX here, and you can see that right away it just filter out and bring me an offer which is OctaFX apps install offer, which is very low payment. But let me be with me, I'm going to show you this going to work really well. But the thing, you can see that this is a country specific offer. So if I just hover mouse there, you can see the flag of Nigeria. So this offers really targeted to Nigerian peoples who in the Nigeria. So you have to work with targeted Nigerian traffic. So let me show you, just wait, be with me. I'm going to show you the targeted way you can just target those countries. So simply just choose this product, you just click on it, it will pops up and it will give you the affiliate links. So just simply copy the affiliate link. Your link is now copied, and so on. We are going to promote it on. So what we do to promote it, just simply we have to build a landing page that we can bring peoples to and to the offer, and they will be interested to accept that offer, and you will get paid for that. So first of all, we're going to Google. So this is Google. Just simply go on and search for something like, as we are promoting OctaFX. This is a trading app, that forex trading app. So we just go on Google and search for like tips on trading, like something like this, tips on trading. If I hit enter, it will like this, and I have already searched for like tips on forex trading. You can search any terms related to that. For the purpose of this video, I have chosen tips on forex trading. So if you see that this is an ad, but the first result, it's from a site and it's a top rank #1 result. So we are looking for that. We are not looking for the rest. We are only looking for the top first results that is really popular on that search term. So we just click on this page. For example, I just go on this page. It's just an example. It's not like you have to do it in this site, this page always. It's just a topics. It's an article about tips for forex trading beginners. So beginners can get tips. There are 10 tips. You can see there are 10 tips here, and this is a good article, and we are want to copy these articles, yes, but in a good way. So simply just stay with me. I'm going to the site called justpaste.it. Justpaste.it is a text editor app that you can just paste any text here, any article, any content here, and promote it or show it to other people's. That is the main goal for this website, but we are going to make it in a different way. So we are building a landing page from using this page. So justpage.it, you just go over to justpage. We need an account, so click on this account button here in the top right corner. If you click on it, it will show something like this. Just click on create account and fill your details info, and in no time you will be in your dashboard. But let me show you my public profile. This is the account I have already created for justpage.it, and you can see that I have chosen a name for as an expert trader. You can see display name as expert trader. You can choose something related to like what you are promoting. As we are promoting expert trading apps, I have just changed my name to expert trader and build the profile like this. And then we go over to, we need a picture for the avatar or for the profile picture. So I just go on to the Cpagrip and just bring and get a trading image like this, simply upload it to the site, and here boom, I got the profile exactly like this. So this is the expert trader profile for justpage.it to make it really realistic and cool for this. So I have no articles right now, no topics right now, so we are now going to build our landing page here. So what we do here, just go on tips for the trading beginners. You can see these articles here. I just click on and tips for trading. I simply just copy the 10 topics, 10 tips here. Just for example, I just copy those text and go on here, paste it like this. You can see I have pasted the topics. I can format it, just make it readable like this, just formatting it, and it looks really cool. And you can also just decorate it, bold the headlines, bold the topic subjects, and so on. But we are not wasting any more of your time, so it just for example, I just hit enter and a space here, and now what I write here, but we have to send the title here. So titles, I just copy the titles from this, the tips for forex trading beginners. So just copy the title here from it and paste it like this. We are done. So what we going to do here, I just write like this, simply #1 trading app in Nigeria. So this is the thing. I just make it bold, and I just want to link it, and I just paste it here. You can see the offer page and hit save. So here it is. You can see how easy and how beautiful it is looking. So simply just copy the same thing and go to the right bottom of that article and hit enter and paste it again, and that's it. We're ready to promote in this page. So simply we just hit publish, but before publish, you just make sure it is public, not hidden or private. So make sure it is public, then hit publish. So it's publishing. So after filling the captcha, you can see the article is already published for me, and I have the link, and this is the published article for me. So if I just go over to my profile page and refresh it, you can see the article is here for me right away. So simply this is the case. You can see that the link is there. If people click on it, if I redirect people to this page, and they will know the trading tips and benefits, and if they're interested, many people will just go on and click on this link and install that app, and you will boom make money in Cpagrip. So without investing any more time, how you can bring people to this offer page? So simply you just copy this URL of this article page from justpage.it, and we are going to, as usual, the number one platform, social platform, trade, Facebook. So obviously we just go over to Facebook, and you can see that I can just search for, like, as we are targeting Nigeria, so we search for like trading Nigeria here, and you can see that the results comes up. So we filtered the results for groups, so click on groups, that will filter the results, and you can see that there are lots of groups targeted to Nigeria. You can see that Forex Trader Nigeria, this has 9,000 members, buy sell in Nigeria 15,000. You can see that all Forex in Nigeria 24,000 peoples, and you can see the opportunities there. These are targeted customers. If just targeted countries. So if I just go over to any groups, if I just, it's a private group, but simply just go on and join and apply for those, and many of those will be added. It will add you as a group member on it. So simply just go on, and for example, if I just click on this group, and it will load, and when you just load this group, and you just simply go on, join, hit the join group, and that's it. And then you just start promoting your offers to them, and in a good way. So simply just hit the right sections, the create post, and I have already written a text for it. So simply like this, I just written a text for its sample for this video purpose. So you can see that you are in a danger if you don't know how to trade Forex, and it can cost you a lot of money. Protecting your hard-earned money is not easy. Shocking, but the truth is 95% of people every day losing money who don't know how to trade Forex. If you don't want to be in the 95% and enter into the elite world of that 5% of people, act now. Click here. So what is this? Just click here. I just copy this page URL. You can see I just copy the URL of justpage.it and paste it here like this, and boom, you are good to go to promote it. And this is not an affiliate product link, so Facebook will not mind it, and obviously that group admins will not mind it. Everything is pure white hat strategy, just sharing an article to people. This is just an article, not an affiliate product. People may go over to this page and choose to join that affiliate program, but it's his choice. But I'm not promoting directly any affiliate link or any affiliate product on it, so it's a completely white hat strategy. So simply just go on and do something like this and hit post, and you are good to go to be in front of those peoples of those groups, and regularly they post daily, and people are seeing those posts daily. So you do it daily. It's not like 1 and 2 times daily. So another example, if I just go on, another example would be like if I just go on to the Cpagrip again and search for like FLAW flap app. So this is the case. It's come up with 2 results. The OctaFX is going to give me 15 cents per install, and Flap app will going to give me like 25 cents per installs. And we have 2 countries options here. You can see this is first one is from Nigeria, and second one is from South Africa. So this is it, guys. This is a travel and trip related app that is a really well-known app. So if I just go on and search on like Google Play, you can see that Flap app is a really good and solid app. You can see the 3.5 rating and 1 million plus download of this. So this is not a fake app, this is not a bad app, it's a very good app to work with, and they're going to pay you for it. So simply just go on same process, you just go on the Google and for search like tips on traveling. You can see I search for like tips on traveling, and the articles comes up. So we always choose the first article, the best article, because it's ranked on the first page and first position. So this article has some values to attract traffic, attract user. So same thing goes on, you just copy those articles and build an article landing page on justpage.it and search on it on Facebook to targeted audience like this. So simply just go on to Facebook and I just search like travel South Africa and filter that results by group, and you can see that all the results targeted to South African travel, South African community, South African travel related groups are in front of you. Just you go on and register, just join those groups and feel the same way. You just write a 3 sentence topic post and with your articles link like this, and you just build your landing page like this, and in no time you will get traffic to this without any problem. So this is it guys, you just follow it daily. And if I just bring the calculator on, if I just get like, you will do it regularly, if you do it regularly, that will definitely send you 50 to 100 people to it, and they will be downloading those apps to you. So let's see, for example, if 100 people download your apps, like if we just add 15 plus 25, you will get like $40, and it's an opportunity. You can get $40 daily by doing this, and you will not get like in one night or one day. You have to do it regularly, daily. You set and some hours, you dedicate some hours and work daily, work regularly. This is a proven way to earn money online. So you definitely, if you work regularly, in no time you will get lots of traffic to your landing page, and you will get those offers to promote, and people will really love to download those apps, and you boom, you will get money for that. So this is it guys. If you liking this video, just hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest videos. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay well and thanks for watching.